Just opened a US bank account? Here are 3 fast ways to fund it. Don't wait days for access. These options get funds in quickly and securely. Mobile check deposit, ACH transfer, and cash deposit. Each is fast and beginner-friendly. Method 1. Mobile check deposit. Open your bank app and choose mobile deposit. Step 1. Endorse the check. Step 2. Photograph the front and back and confirm the amount. Tip: keep the paper check for a few days until you receive confirmation that funds cleared. Method 2. ACH transfer from another US bank. It's electronic and often free. Find your new account and routing numbers. Add them at your other bank as an external account, then initiate the transfer. Method 3. Cash deposit. Use a branch teller or an ATM that accepts deposits for immediate credit. At a branch, hand cash to the teller. At an ATM, choose deposit, insert bills, and save your receipt. Quick recap: mobile deposit, ACH transfer, or cash deposit. Always verify account numbers and keep confirmations. Ready to fund your account? Visit our website to get started and see step-by-step guides.